Hey, Welsh Dragon Metals here. Today I'm pouring zinc cubes. Already poured 5 inside of here, already cast inside of the mould. That's what they'll look like when they're finished. Many other zinc items have been poured this way very recently, some quite large, others very small, even a coin. This is what I'm using for the material for casting into the moulds. Covered in zinc carbonate there. These cubes need to be reheated. I'll pour another one, and then I'll drop the resulting cubes and make some more. It's been a while since I've posted for obvious reasons that my followers will know. But I'm posting again. So that was me just getting rid of some deformations and fill up the crucible with more zinc and pour into this mold here. Shouldn't need too much. Pouring unmelted zinc or clean zinc. Let them all cool down now. Shouldn't take too long. Let's have a little look. And there's all the cooling zinc cubes. This is what they will look like. Should stamp quite well, as the shape will lend strength to the foam while it's being hammered by extreme force in order to get it to mark deep enough to show the stamping, weight, elemental designation and such. So this is still incredibly hot. Starting to deform now, as you can see. A little tunnel there appeared in that one. Have to get rid of them before I drop the ingots. Otherwise there will be a deep crevice inside of a few of the cubes, which I hate. Quite a bit left to melt. I'll do a few more cubes afterwards. I have 8 at the moment there, and 6 here. Do with a couple more. I'll make quite a large bar of what remains in that mould, as there's more than I looked. Still got all that left, and it feels quite heavy, so cubes don't use that much material. About a second or two to cool on the metal, and then I'll quench it in here. That's still incredibly hot. Actually have a temperature gun, be back now. It was actually charged by solar power back when the sun was out. It still works quite well, and the mould is incredibly hot still. Hot enough to cook some stuff. And the crucible is actually quite cool. I suspect it's due to the graphite mould there, which is a great conductor of heat, as opposed to the bars which are standing still, which are 24 degrees. Actually quite warm considering. Left in there. Yeah. There we go. All cubes have been released. That one came out very nice. That one came out really weird, it's not fully melted, so that'll have to be remelted, of course. That one's quite nice. That one's weird. Not enough heat. Could have been the one that I poured the dross into. That was the unscrubbed part. So let's continue. Lots more to do. These need reheating and remelting, but I'll melt that first. Using Mapp gas. Absolutely burning zinc. Nice manoeuvrage. Crucible saved from falling. It's a big nasty mess. I'll finish all these up now. so 4 more, and the 2 that were defective there, and what was overflowing and unlevel has been cast into this mould here. So this is what they will look like. These actually came out really well, considering. As you can see, they're extremely pure. The dross material will be cast into the bottom of this pit here. That's just zinc carbonate, which is zinc that has reached its boiling point and burned off. That's the smoke and the blue flame that you'll see every now and then, burning zinc. You get the same with copper pores, and pouring things like copper wire. Reason for that is the amount of zinc within the copper. Mold is still very hot, but not hot enough, as there is defects forming on all of these. Okay. Let's have a little look at the ones that I made earlier.